Hi everyone, my name is Choi. I am Mimos on Instagram and I'm known for my surreal makeup illusions. I like to hand paint all my makeup illusions without the use of prosthetics. Today I'm very excited to show you my process. I'm going to paint a butterfly illusion on my beautiful model. And one of the most important things before I start painting a makeup is to prep the skin. And I love prepping the skin and toning the skin using the micellar water because it takes off all the oil and dirt and make sure that my canvas is perfect for before I start painting. So this is the final butterfly look that I did on Rina. As you can see, the makeup stayed on really well even though I did really fine details, and the details did not smudge because her skin was squeaky clean before. And that is because I used the micellar water to tone her face beforehand. And I'm also going to show you guys how to remove her makeup using the micellar water and also the makeup removing cloth. I use these two things pretty much every night before I go to bed to remove my makeup because it leaves the skin feeling super soft and clogs the pores, leaves the skin feeling really glowy. And as we all know, skincare is super important, and it's really important to have a clean face before you go to bed. It's coming off super easily. And this is waterproof eyeliner. So that's it, guys. Look how beautiful and glowy her skin is. After the makeup removal, it only took me a few wipes to take all the makeup off. If you want to purchase the micellar water with the makeup removal cloth, you can purchase it at the Reversal website. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my name is Mimles, M-I-M-L-E-S. See you guys later. Bye.